Hi everyone and welcome back. Right, what I've done, I've prepped up the block which I'm going to paint silver. You can see those yellow things are your ear plugs, which I filled up all the holes. That one didn't need doing because it's not in use, but yeah, there we go, and all masked up as you can see. So there we go. Right, it's the next day. Here's the finish of the block after I sprayed it. I didn't really want to show how I did it because I don't want to get criticised on the way I did it, so may as well save that aching pain of seeing comments, no, you shouldn't have done this, you should have done it this way. But here we go. The finish actually is the way the casting is. I didn't really take time to do it, to sand it all down, but any imperfections that you see are the actual castings. So there we go. So this is the block. So I've done that, yeah, and now is the cradle. I've removed all the masking tape, so where you see places like this, that's where I put masking tape on, but didn't do the back because I don't need to, because that'll be going on to the clutch side of things, but here's the other side, that's the front. So I've done that. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed. I only did this because I was waiting for parts. Still am actually, from BM. So there we go, good result, I think so anyway. So if you like this video, please do give it a thumbs up, like, share and subscribe. Helps the channel grow, guys. So hit that subscribe button. Cheers.